Is summer turning your sparkling aquarium into an algae swamp? Don't panic. Today, I'm sharing proven, natural ways to treat and prevent algae. No harsh chemicals here, just smart, fish-safe solutions. Stick with me because these tips will keep your tank clear all season long. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll find out exactly how summer heat triggers algae growth and how you can fight it naturally with easy, research-backed strategies. Plus a few tricks I picked up from my own fish-keeping journey. Now, why does summer bring out so much algae? Longer days mean more sunlight streaming into your tank and those warmer temps. They speed everything up. Extra light and heat plus any leftover food or waste just set off an algae explosion. Basically, your tank turns into an all-you-can-eat algae buffet. So, how do you fight back the natural way? First, control the light. Keep your aquarium out of direct sunlight and cut down artificial lighting to 6 to 8 hours a day. A simple plug-in timer can do all the work for you, making it almost effortless. Second, watch those nutrients. Overfeeding is algae's best friend, so only feed what your fish can eat in a couple minutes. Clean your substrate with a siphon every week and swap out about 25% of the water. This keeps nutrients down and your fish stress-free. Third, let live plants join the battle. Live plants compete with algae for food, and they win every time. Fast-growing plants like hornwort, anacaris, or water wisteria are awesome at soaking up nutrients before algae gets a chance. Let me tell you, a few summers back, my tank looked just like pea soup. I followed these 3 steps: light control, nutrient balance, and adding live plants. And in just 3 weeks, I went from swampy green to crystal clear, all without a drop of chemicals. Ongoing prevention is key. Keep testing your water, give your plants a regular trim, and stick to a tight feeding schedule. Staying consistent means you'll spend way less time fighting algae and a lot more time enjoying your tank. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and hit subscribe to join our little fish keeping family. Together, we'll keep your aquarium healthy, beautiful, and algae free. The natural way.